Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are good. So in my last video, I discussed the concept of integration using the trigonometric identities, and also I did some of the important integration problems which are asked in your previous year annual examinations. Today I am going with the new concept, that is integration of some particular functions. So basically the formats of the particular functions are, the first one is integration of dx divided by quadratic expression, and the second one is integration of dx divided by square root of quadratic expression, and the third one is integration of square root of quadratic expression with respect to x. And then we have some more particular functions, and their formats are integration of px plus q divides a quadratic expression. It is nothing but integration of linear divided by quadratic expression with respect to x, or integration of linear divided by square root of quadratic expressions with respect to x. So these are the formats of particular functions, and in this first format we have again three different subformats. In this first particular function formats we have three subformats, and in second one also we have three subformats, and in third one also we have three particular function formats. So, and one more thing, from this concept only you are going to get a 5-mark question in your annual examinations. So, today I am going to discuss the first three particular functions format, and if possible I am going with the second three also. So, in your annual examinations they ask for prove also the formula for the first three formats of the particular functions, as well as remaining 6 also they can ask for the 5 marks. Especially this question asked in such a way that first he has given that integrate the particular function format, and then he has to give one of the problem which is related to corresponding particular function format. So let's start the first three subformats of the particular function. That is what first one. And the first three subformats of the particular functions are, see here, here I written three first particular function formats, and the first one is integration of dx divided by quadratic, integration of dx divided by quadratic, and also integration by dx divided by quadratic. So now firstly I am going to write the formulas. Firstly I am going to write the formulas of these particular function formats, and then I go for the proof of that. Here the first one is integration of dx divided by a square minus x square is equals to 1 divided by 2a into log of a plus x divides a minus x plus c. And the second one is 1 divided by 2a log of 1 divided by 2a log of x minus a divides x plus a plus c. And the third one is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is 1 divided by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. And the remaining three subformats of the second particular functions, which are, see here, remaining three are integration of dx divided by square root of quadratic, integration of dx divided by square root of quadratic, integration of dx divided by square root of quadratic. Again I am going to write the formulas for these, and then I am going to the proof of this. Here integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equals to sin inverse of x by a plus c. And the second one, integration of dx divided by root x square minus a square is equal. Basically, these two formats has the same answers. So first one is here, slight different irutta. Integration of dx divided by square root of x square minus a square. Log, same thing here also log. Here x plus, here also modulus of x plus square root of same expression x square minus a square plus c. Here also plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So these are the standard formulas for the first two particular functions formats. In the first one we have three subformats, in second one also we have three subformats. And the next, in the next slide here, I am going to prove the first one. What is that? Prove that integration of dx divided by a square minus x square is equals to 1 divided by 2a log of a plus x divides a minus x plus c. So here proof is important. So in your annual examination, they are going to ask the proof of this and also one of the problem related to this only. So the question is of 5 mark. In that 5 mark, they distributed as 3 for proving this format and 2 for your problems. So let's start the first one. To prove this, let I is equals to integration of dx divided by a square minus x square. See here, to prove this, to prove this, firstly for this integral, divide by 2a and multiply by 2a divided by a square minus x square with respect to x. In the first step ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, divide and multiply by 2a, and then which is equals to 1 by 2a into 2a can be expressed as a plus a divided by a square minus x square. We have one of the basic algebraic formula, that is what, if we have a square minus b square, it can be expressed as a minus b into a plus b. So therefore a square minus x square can be written as a plus x into a minus x with respect to x. And then see here what I am doing here, I is equals to 1 by 2a into integration of a plus a divided by, as it is, a plus x into a minus x, and for numerator add and subtract by x. Numerator ಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, add and subtract by x. And then see here, I can be expressed as, now I is equals to 1 divided by 2a integration of, in denominator we have a plus x into what, a minus x. So numerator can be arranged as a plus x as it is in between these two, a plus x as it is, and then we have plus a minus x. Here also we have a factor a minus x, therefore plus a minus x. So just I arranged the numerator as per as the denominator with respect to x. And then see here, I am going to split the numerator here. I is equals to 1 divided by 2a into integration of a plus x. 1 divided by 2a into integration of see here, a plus x divided by a plus x into a minus x, a plus x into a minus x with respect to x, and then plus integration of a minus x divided by a plus x into a minus x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now observe here, I is equals to 1 by 2a into, see here, in the first integral I can cancel the factor a plus x from numerator and denominator, remaining integration of 1 divided by a minus x dx plus integration of, in second integral also I can cancel the factor a minus x from numerator and denominator, remaining 1 divided by a plus x with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to 1 divided by 2a into, see here, integration of 1 divided by a minus x dx, integration of 1 divided by a minus x dx is equals to log a minus x divided by minus 1, because derivative of a minus x is minus 1. So therefore integration of dx divided by a minus x can be written as minus of log a minus x plus integration of dx divided by a plus x. Derivative of a plus x is 1. So therefore it is of the form integration of f dash x divided by fx. So log a plus x, log of a plus x plus x plus integral constant c. Now I can be expressed as, I is equals to 1 divided by 2a into, by using a property of log m minus log n is equals to log m by n. Therefore 1 by 2a into log of m, what is m? A plus x divides a minus x plus c, and observe this is a required answer, this is required answer, that is what, integration of dx divided by a square minus x square equals to 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. I hope all of you understood. Now let's start the second one, and second one is also similar to this only. Here what is the second one here? Second one is prove that integration of x square minus a square, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ first ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ a square minus x square, now what, integration of dx divided by x square minus a square with respect to x, and answer is 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So again to prove this, let I is equals to integration of dx divides x square minus a square. So in the first step, again same thing, divide by 2a and multiply by 2a divided by x square minus a square with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Same thing again, 1 by 2a, integration of 2a can be written as a plus a divided by using the algebraic formula a square minus b square can be written as x square minus a square is equals to x minus a into x plus a with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now what next? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ, same add and subtract by x to the numerator. Therefore I is equals to 1 by 2a into integration of a plus x minus x divided by, as it is, x minus a into x plus a with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to, see here, I is equals to 1 by 2a into denominator as it is x minus a into x plus a in numerator. So firstly I am going to write a plus x, or you can write it as a x plus a. So denominator factor notes in other x plus a and x minus a. We need to convert in this denominator format. So here a plus x is exists, so it can be write it as x plus a. Again after x plus a we have what? See here, plus a minus x, a minus x, but in denominator we have a factor x minus a, so that's why in between these two I am going to take negative as a common. If I take negative common, a minus x becomes x minus a, therefore minus of what? x minus a with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, again same thing. In the next step, I am going to split the numerator. So therefore, I is equals to, therefore, I is equals to 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a into integration of, see here, x plus a, x plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a, x minus a into x plus a with respect to x, and then minus integration of x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, here I can cancel the factor x plus a from numerator and denominator, and same thing cancelling x minus a from numerator and denominator. So finally we got I is equals to 1 by 2a into integration of 1 divided by x minus a with respect to x minus integration of 1 divided by x plus a with respect to x. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to, see here, I is equals to 1 by 2a into, we know that integration of 1 divided by x minus a dx, derivative of x minus a is 1. So it is of the form integration of f dash x divided by fx. Therefore its answer is log x minus a. Then minus integration of dx by x plus a is also log of x plus a plus integral constant c. Therefore, again by using the property of log, I is equals to 1 by 2a into cn. Log m minus log n can be written as log m by n, where m is x minus a, m is x plus a, plus integral constant c. And this is the required answer. This is what? Required answer. 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. See here, integration of dx divided by x square minus a square is 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. I hope all of you understood. So these are very important in your annual examinations. They are going to ask for the 5 mark. Now start the third one, and the third one is here. Prove that integration of dx divided by x square plus a square is equals to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. See here, to prove this, let I is equals to, what is I here? Integration of dx divides x square plus a square. So to prove this standard format, I am going to take the value of x is equals to a tan theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕೈತೀನಿ, x is equals to a tan theta. ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So to prove this, I am going to substitute x is equals to, so put x is equals to what? A tan theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, if x equals to a tan theta, then definitely tan theta is equals to x divided by a. What is tan theta? X divided by a, which implies what is theta? Theta is equals to tan inverse of x by a. I hope all of you understanding. So which implies what? Theta is equals to tan inverse of x by a. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, after substituting the value of x in terms of theta, we need to integrate with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate this theta with respect to what? Sorry, differentiate this x with respect to theta, because x is a function of theta, as well as we need to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of x is dx by d theta with respect to theta in barata dx by d theta, which is equals to a as it is derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is secant square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now by the cross multiplication, dx is equals to a into secant square theta into d theta. Nodri ಏನು ಬಂತು? What is dx? Dx is a secant square theta into tan theta, d theta. So I hope all of you understanding. Now by using this substitution, I is equals to integration of, see here, what is dx? Dx equals to a secant square theta into d theta divided by x square. We considered x equals to a tan theta, therefore x square is equals to a square tan square theta. I hope all of you understanding, plus a square. Now see here, in the next step, I am going to take a square as a common from denominator. Therefore, I is equals to, integration of a secant square theta d theta, a secant square theta d theta divided by a square is common, a square into tan square theta plus 1, tan square theta plus 1. So now here I can cancel 1a from numerator and 1 from denominator. So remains what? 1 by a. So 1 by a is constant taken outside the integral. 1 by a into integration of, what is the remaining thing? Secant square theta d theta divided by nodri another tan square theta plus 1. So we already known one of the basic identity of the trigonometry, which is studying from your 10th class, which is that identity. See here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. It means secant square theta is equals to minus tan square theta na ikkade shift madidre 1 plus tan square theta. So therefore in place of 1 plus tan square theta, I can write it as a secant square theta by using this basic identity. Denominator tan square theta plus 1 is equals to what? Secant square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now in the next step, I can cancel the secant square theta from numerator and denominator. Therefore, I is equals to 1 by a into integration of 1 into d theta. What is the remaining thing? Because secant square theta get cancelled, remains what? D theta. So therefore, I is equals to 1 by a into, we know that integration of theta, integration of k dx is equals to what? K into x plus c. Therefore, if I consider k is equals to 1, integration of 1 dx is 1x plus c. Therefore, integration of d theta is theta plus c. I hope all of you understanding. So finally we got I is equals to 1 by a into, what is theta? Theta illada nodri. Theta is equals to what? Tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c, and which is a required proof. So observe the given function here. Integration of dx divided by x square plus a square equals to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. I hope all of you understood. And now the fourth one is also similar to this type. See here, what is the fourth one here? Let's start the fourth one. And the fourth one is prove that integration of dx divided by a square, square root of a square minus x square is equals to sin inverse of x by a plus. So to prove, let us consider I is equals to, what is I here? Let I is equals to integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square. Now observe here, I am going to prove the value of this integration or integral is equals to what? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. So that's why here I am going to substitute the value of theta is a sin theta. ಏನು put ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ? Put x equals to a sin theta. Put x is equals to a sin theta, which implies sin theta is x by a. What is sin theta? Sin theta is x divided by a. Therefore, theta is equals to sin inverse of x by a. Theta is equals to what? Sin inverse of x by a. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here. We are integrating with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate this x with respect to theta. What is the next step? Differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta equal to a into derivative of sin theta is cos theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now by using the cross multiplication dx here I am write dx. So dx divided by what? D theta. Therefore, by the cross multiplication, dx is equals to a cos theta into d theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now, by using this substitution, that is what x is equals to a sin theta, I becomes integral, I is equals to integration of dx. What we get the value of dx? Dx is a cos theta into d theta. So in place of dx, a cos theta into d theta divided by square root of a square as it is minus x square. X is what? A sin theta. Therefore, x square is a square sin square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now in the next step, see here, I is equals to integration of a cos theta into d theta divided by square root of, here I can take a square as a common. If I take a square is common, remaining what? 1 minus sin square theta. I hope all of you understanding. After this, see here, I can be expressed as, after this, I is equals to numerator as it is integration of a cos theta into d theta divided by square root of a square is a. Square root of a square is what? A into square root of see here 1 minus sin square theta by using the basic identity. That is what? If we have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, then if I shift sin square theta towards the right side, cos square theta is equals to what? 1 minus sin square theta. So therefore, by using this identity, I can replace this 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Therefore, in place of 1 minus sin square theta, I am going to write what? Cos square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, again I is equals to integration of a and a. Here I can cancel a from numerator and denominator. A and a get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining in the numerator, cos theta d theta divided by, in denominator I can cancel square root and square. Remaining what? Cos theta. So again same thing, here I can cancel cos theta from numerator and denominator. Remaining I is equals to integration of 1 d theta, and we know that integration of d theta is theta plus c, and also we know in the first step only what is theta. Theta is equals to sin inverse of x by a. Therefore I is equals to, in place of theta, sin inverse of x by a plus integral constant c, and this is a required proof. That is what? Sin inverse of x by a plus. So therefore integration of dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equals to sin inverse of x by a plus c. I hope all of you understood. Now let's start the next one, and the next one is fifth one. Here the fifth one is prove that integration of dx divided by square root of x square minus a square is equals to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. See here, I am going to taking this given integral is I. So what is I? I is equals to ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. I is equals to integration of dx divided by square root of x square minus a square. So to prove this, in this given integral, I am going to substitute the value of x is secant theta. ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Secant theta. Put x is equals to a secant theta. A secant theta. Again, we need to integrate with respect to theta. Therefore, differentiate this x. Differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta. So dx is equals to a into secant theta derivative is secant theta into tan theta by cross multiplication d theta na ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ right side shift ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So a secant theta tan theta d theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here again by using this substitution, what is secant theta? Secant theta is equals to x divided by a. I hope all of you understanding. Now by using this substitution, integral I is equals to integration of dx is what? Dx is a secant theta tan theta into d theta. So in place of dx, a secant theta tan theta into d theta divided by square root of x square. What is x? X is a secant theta. Therefore, x square is a square secant square theta. A square secant square theta minus a square as it is. I hope all of you understanding. Now I is equals to, see here in the next step ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I is equals to integration of a secant theta into tan theta d theta divided by square root of, here I can take a square as common, remaining what? Secant square theta minus 1. I hope all of you understanding. So in the next step, see here I is equals to, in the next step I is equals to integration of a into secant theta into tan theta into d theta as it is divided by square root of a square is a into square root of, by using the basic identity, ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. It means what is secant square theta minus 1? Secant square theta minus 1 is equals to what? Tan square theta. So therefore by using this identity, I can replace this secant square theta minus 1 by what? Tan square theta. So in place of secant square theta minus 1, tan square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, I is equals to, in the next step, I is equals to, in the next step, I is equals to, see here, I can cancel a from numerator and denominator. So remains in the numerator is integration of secant theta into tan theta d theta divided by square root of tan square theta. Square root square cancel, remaining what? Tan theta. Again see here in the numerator and denominator tan theta exists here, so I can cancel tan theta from numerator and denominator. After cancelled, we have I is equals to integration of secant theta d theta. Secant theta into d theta. I hope all of you understanding. We know that integration of secant theta is what? We know that I is equals to integration of secant theta is log modulus secant theta plus tan theta plus integral constant C1. C1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. C1 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ C1. Now let's say this is your equation 1. This is what equation 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now in this equation first I am going to substitute the value of secant theta and tan theta. But we already know the value of secant theta. What is the value of secant theta? See here. Secant theta is x divided by a. So by using this we need to identify the value of tan theta. Since, nodri another since, what is secant theta? Secant theta is what? X by a. To identify the value of tan theta, we know that, we know that secant square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Tan square theta is equals to, tan square theta is equals to what? Secant square theta minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1. Therefore, tan theta is equals to what? Square root of secant square theta minus 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now, therefore, tan theta is equals to square root of, what is secant theta? We already know secant theta is equals to what? X divided by a. Therefore, secant square theta is x square divided by a square minus 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now tan theta is equals to what next? Tan theta is equals to, see here, square root of x square LCM ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ a square divided by what? A square. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ. Therefore I tan theta is equals to, therefore tan theta is equals to, see here, square root of a divided by b can be written as square root of a divided by square root of b. So therefore square root of x square minus a square as it is, square root of x square minus a square as it is, divided by square root of a square is a. So finally we got what? Value of tan theta. Secant theta is x by a, tan theta is root x square minus a square divided by a. Therefore by using these, I is equals to first equation. See what is the first equation here? I is equals to log of modulus of, see here, secant theta. What is secant theta? X by a. So in place of secant theta, x by a plus tan theta. What is tan theta? Root x square minus a square. Root x square minus a square divided by what? A plus constant C1. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here, next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I is equals to log of, I can take LCM, A is LCM. So here multiply by 1, here also multiply by 1. X into 1 is x plus root x square minus a square into 1. Root x square minus a square into 1 is what? Root x square minus a square. So root x square minus a square plus constant c. I hope all of you understanding. Now by using the property of log m divided by n, log m divided by n can be written as I equals to log m. What is m? X plus root x square minus a square minus log n. What is n? A plus constant c1. So final answer I is equals to log of x plus root x square minus a square plus c ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? Why? Because here c is a constant, c1 and minus log a is also constant. So c1 minus log a is also one of the constant. So constant minus constant is a constant. That's why plus c. So this is a required proof of the given integral. That is what? See the question. integration of dx divided by root x square minus a square is equals to log x plus root x square minus a square plus c. I hope all of you understood. And last one, sixth one is also similar to this type only. And let's start the sixth one here. Sixth one is, what is the sixth one? Prove that integration of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square is equals to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So here again to prove this, firstly I am going to take the given integral is I. What is I? I is equals to, again we need place for this, integration of dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. So see here to prove this, I am going to take the value of x. X na node ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೋತಾನಿಲ್ರಿ, x equals to a tan theta. I am going to substitute the value of x is a tan theta, which implies what is tan theta? Definitely tan theta is equals to x divided by a. Tan theta is equals to what? X by a. We need to integrate with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate this x with respect to theta. So therefore, derivative of x with respect to theta is dx by d theta. Therefore, dx is equals to a as it is, derivative of tan theta is secant square theta, dx by d theta by the cross multiplication d theta right side shift ಮಾಡಿ, dx is equals to what? A secant square theta into d theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now by this substitution, I is equals to integration of what is dx? Dx is what? A secant square theta into d theta. Therefore, in place of dx, a secant square theta into d theta divided by square root of x square. What is x? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x is equals to a tan theta. Therefore, x square is a square tan square theta plus a square as it is. I hope all of you understanding. Again, same thing, we can take a square as a common from denominator. Therefore, I is equals to integration of a into secant square theta into d theta divided by square root of, in between these two a square is common, remaining what? Tan square theta plus 1. Now I is equals to, see in the next step, I is equals to integration of a secant square theta d theta divided by square root of a square is a into square root of, see here again by using the same identity, ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, which implies ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta ನ right side shift ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So therefore, by using this identity, in place of tan square theta plus 1, I can write secant square theta. So secant square theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now see here I can cancel a and a from numerator and denominator. After cancelling, we have I is equals to see here integration of numerator has secant square theta d theta divided by square root and square get cancelled, remains what? Secant theta. I hope all of you understanding. Now here I can cancel 1 secant theta from numerator and from denominator. So after cancelled secant theta, we have I is equals to integration of secant square theta ali 1 secant square theta cancel agide, remaining what? Secant square theta into d theta. Sorry, secant theta into d theta. 1 secant theta is cancelled from numerator. So we have secant theta in numerator. So denominatorly entire secant theta cancelled. So therefore divided by 1. 1 ಬರ್ದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Now what I is equals to, now I is equals to, we know that integration of secant theta is log of secant theta plus tan theta plus integral constant C1, and let's say this is your equation number 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now in this equation we need to substitute the values of what? Nodri previous question alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Substitute the value of secant theta and tan theta. In these two we already known one of the value, that is what? Tan theta. So value of tan theta is what? X divided by a. So since the value of tan theta is equals to x by a, by using this we know one of the identity, that is what? 11. Secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. So therefore by using this, secant square theta is equals to what? Tan square theta plus 1. Therefore what is secant theta? So secant theta is equals to square root of tan square theta plus 1. I hope all of you understanding. Now secant theta is equals to, see here, secant theta is equals to square root of, what is tan theta? Tan theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ already, x divided by a. Therefore in place of tan theta x by a, but here tan square theta, that's why I am going to write x square divided by a square plus 1, which is equals to square root of, by taking LCM, x square plus a square divided by a square. Again by using this e side ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, which implies secant theta is equals to, we know that square root of a by b is equals to square root of a divided by square root of b. Therefore ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ as it is square root of x square plus a square divided by square root of a square is a. So finally we got the value of what? Secant theta. So now use these two, tan theta and secant theta, in first equation. Now I am going to substitute the value of tan theta and secant theta in first equation. In which equation? In the first equation. Therefore first equation implies I is equals to log of, see here, log of, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನದ secant theta. What is the value of secant theta? Square root of x square plus a square divided by a plus tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is x divided by a plus integral constant c. I hope all of you understanding. In the next step I am going to take the LCM. I is equals to log of modulus. LCM is a, so here multiply by 1, here also multiply by 1, remaining root x square plus a square plus x divided by a plus c. Now by using the property of log, I is equals to, see here, I is equals to log m by n. Log m, what is m? Root x square plus a square root x square plus a square plus x minus log n, that is what? Log a plus the integral constant c1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, c1. Now final answer I is equals to log of, here ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಾನು ಉಲ್ಟಾನು ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, a plus b is equal to what? b plus a. Therefore root x square plus a square plus x can be written as x plus root x square plus a square minus log a plus c1 is replaced by c, because minus log a is also constant, c1 is also constant. So that's why I am going to replace c is equals to what? Minus log a plus c1. I hope all of you understood. So today I did first two formats of the particular functions, and in that first two we have three formats, sub formats in the first one and three sub formats in the second one. So in my next video, I am going to discuss the next third particular function format, and in that also we have three sub formats, and that three sub formats also important for your annual examination. I hope all of you understood the today's class.